Hello everyone, I'm Nishchal. Today I'm excited to present the project which I built. So the project name is NetScope Guardian. It's an AI-powered browser extension. In simple terms, it acts like a cybersecurity expert sitting right next to you while you browse. NetScope Guardian is a cutting-edge Chrome extension that revolutionizes browser security analysis by combining real time threat intelligence with advanced AI capabilities. Built with Google Gemini Flash latest, it provides instant contextual security assessment for any uh, web resources, transforming complex threat data into actionable insights that anyone can understand. So, we all know that web is full of threats, phishing sites, malicious downloads, and privacy trackers. But the raw data like IP addresses or HTTP headers is hard for normal users to understand. In today's digital landscape, the problems which are currently present as for a cybersecurity professional as well as for every other users is like for security analysts are overwhelmed with raw threat data without context, and analysts struggles to understand what makes indicator dangerous, and for an average users have no way to access website security before interacting, and organizations lack real-time browser-based security awareness tools. So, what's the solution for this? So, here I have built an extension that uses Google Gemini Flash latest AI model to translate the complex data into plain text explanations. Also, it does not just say block this, it tells you why. So, here, it provide NetScope Guardian brings the gap between the raw security data and actionable intelligence by providing AI-powered explanation in plain English, offering instant threat analysis for any IP, domain, URL, or a hash, evaluating website security postures with one click, monitoring real-time network activity for suspicious patterns, and integrating data from VirusTotal, Abuse IPDP for comprehensive analysis. So coming to the key features of this project. So first is AI powered analysis. So as I told about Gemini AI Flash has been integrated, and then the natural language explanations, complex security data explained in simple terms, contextual intelligence, understanding of current threat landscape and attack patterns, and the educational insights, learn why something is dangerous, not that it is. So, and coming to real time intelligence, so I'll be showcasing you the complete demo of my Chrome extension, security extension. So, when you right click any on analysis, it instantly analyzes for any IP, domain, URL, or a file hashes, and multi source reputation aggregates data from VirusTotal, Abuse IPDB, and threat feeds. And also, I have integrated for smart risk scoring. So, AI powered classification for clean, low, medium, high, and critical for any websites, and historical context. So, it sees how indicators have been used in the past attacks. And also, in terms of security header assessment, comprehensive evaluation analyze six critical HTTP security headers, and with the security score rating is also shown over there with 0 to 100 rating of any websites. So, missing header detection identifies security gaps with recommendation and AI explanations. Also, there is a network monitoring over there. So, a real-time traffic analysis monitor used for monitoring all the network requests from the current page. Behavioral detection to identify any C2 beacons are there or data exfiltration, malicious script, suspicious pattern recognition. So for flag credential harvesting, key loggers, and more, and privacy first design. All monitoring happens, no data collection. So this is, and also coming to security and privacy, yeah, I've implemented privacy first design. So local processing, all analysis happens locally or via your private backend. No data collection, minimal permission, so only request necessary Chrome API access. No telemetry, zero tracking or analytics. Open source, full transparency for code and operations. So also I've implemented security best practices, which is input validation, CSP compliant, rate limiting, HTTPS only, and API key protections. So these are few key features. So now let's start with the actual demo. So I'll start with my backend pro. So this is my folder. So I'll start the backend file. So the project has two parts. One is the Chrome extension and the Python AI server backend. So I'll start the brain of the system running the batch script. So you can see here it starts on the server on port 8080. Um, uh, and then it connects to Gemini API key. So connects to Gemini API. This handles all heavy lifting and AI processing securely. So coming to browser extension. So here is our browser extension. So this is my browser extension, Netscope Guardian. So here um, uh, you could see a open dashboard, analyze page, quick scan, and when if you enter any current page, it gives you like all those details, everything. So what this analyze page does is, so this scans the current website for security headers. And quick scan instantly counts how many IP domains and hashes are visible on this page. So now let's analyze for one of the websites, like if I want to say walmart.com. So now I click on this and click on analyze the page. So you could see here current page is HTTPS, so it is HTTPS and you get the domain name. So it's currently loading here, so and it takes you to the dashboard over here. So it got analyzed. So so the entire Walmart analysis is over here. So walmart.com AI security assessment comes over here with all types of what is missing in the header or anything, like all those details come here. So this is one part of Walmart page analysis. And then if you want to open this just like a normal dashboard, and if you want to check any other URL or any websites hashes or anything like that, you could just click over here. So you have a dashboard over here. So click on just open the dashboard. It's like a SIEM dashboard, security incident and event management dashboard, where you could enter any URL. So for example, let me go ahead and open like a few websites, like and analyze what it does. So let me go ahead. I'm copy pasting one website named as cricket.com. So this is a cracked website where which telecasts live cricket matches without permission. So see, you see this when I copy pasted this URL, it analyzed it and it gave me critical issue, like so bro, if you are watching any cricket matches, live cricket matches through this website, so this is not a secure web page and it gave me a critical. So it pulled it from virus total, analyzed it, and it gave me the threat assessment, like what is suspicious, high risk. So it gave the complete AI analysis. So unauthorized streaming platform, which inherently possesses a severe security risk due to typical monetization through aggressive malvertising and scam. So all those details relevant to this website have been displayed, and also it gives technical details, all those here, and the mitigation steps. So what you have to do it. So this is how like a open dashboard. So you could enter any IP address or domain name over here. So you just type now if you want to type for 1.1.1. So it's a Cloudflare IP address. So it gives you the details regarding Cloudflare. So it analyzes over here and gives it. So this is about Cloudflare IP addresses details. See, it's told. Cloudflare IP address. So this is one part, and then going to the next part. So you also have a network monitor tab over here. So you could see here what all websites I visited. So it all gives like the details of all these websites, what are the requests, whether it is get or a post request, everything is monitored in the network tab. It watches for real time traffic, and it can spot websites secretly connecting to suspicious IP or tracking servers in the background. So also another one integration is, so have any, if you are on the email and see here you get lot of emails, you never know which is a proper email or not. So you could just in an email, if you just click on this email address over here, and if you right click on it, you could see analyze it with Netscope Guardian shows up. So now this email is getting analyzed now. So and this is, see, this is the malicious email. So this guy over here was asking me my phone number, like could you let me give me my phone number for text update. So what it did is it analyzed this email, and it treated it as malicious. So this is one thing about email. And even you could go with like IP addresses also. If you have any IP addresses, if you right click over here, it analyzes the IP address and it gives you the output. Like so, that's all. So this is what it's all about my project. So here also, if you could see over here in Walmart.com, you have like quick scan analyze pages, and if you click on quick scan also, it will give like what all the entire domain details like Walmart.com, every details, and it gives you current pages HTTPS. So if I want to go with like any normal browser like um, uh, just a HTTP website browser. See, this website is not secure. So now I click on this, it clearly says starting only, it's a not a secure website. So it gave the website address and it gave me not a secure address. So this is how this browser extension analyzes all those IP addresses, domain URL, and hashes, and you could give the AI analysis with this website. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.